Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our Master of Science in Advanced Material Science and Manufacturing Research Masters. So I'll be showing you how to apply for this particular course, because in the previous video we already did the requirement analysis for this particular course, episode number 10. Then we got to know that the application is open and the application will be ending on 15th of March or in the mid of March. So that's the reason I thought we have ample amount of time. Then I will also show you how to apply for this particular course. And whenever we show you the how to apply for this particular course, you know, we will make two parts of video where I will go again at the official website of Aalen University and go through the all requirements and registration, whatever the mention in that is legible in the official website. When it is there, then we will also show you how to register for their application or online application portal. Then in the second part, we will show you step-by-step procedure on how to apply for that particular course. So this is the two-part video which we have planned. Before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first. So in the requirement analysis, we just make videos about German universities, what are the colleges are there in German, then what are the courses that you can study in order to pursue for your master degree in mechanical, electrical, computer science fields. Now we at the previous videos of around 100 and 110 colleges requirement analysis, we went through requirement analysis of electrical majorly, including some of the computer science course. Then after finishing that, we have also made like 60-70% of colleges application video for that particular section. Then in the second part, we started with our mechanical section where only for summer semester. That's the reason we have done 10 requirement analysis, and now we will be doing our application video. So these are the things that we usually cover in our YouTube channel. So I guess you guys are getting help of this. If you're saying yes, then I suggest you guys to also share this video with the people who are in it, so that they can also get to know and have advantage of this particular. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, then you can also always contact me via email, or if you want, you can also get in touch with me. Then we can also arrange one-on-one session for you guys. Now, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, today we will be focusing on part 1 application video, where I will talk about Aalen University requirement analysis. So this is the official website of Aalen University. So here you can just see this is the official website. You can change it to German or English language. So usually we suggest to go through English so that it will be helpful for you guys, but most of the documents attached will be also in German, so we have to again use the translator afterwards. But you can go into studies. In the study program, you can click on master degree programs. So these are the complete master degree program that are there for mechanical engineering, business, optronics, electrical engineering, etc. So in the master degree program, you can just check for everything, but luckily we have advanced material science and manufacturing and research masters in the first section, so you can directly click, and it is Master of Science, Advanced Material Science and Research Masters, which is what we wanted to look for. And in the home page, you can just see the welcome message that they have studied, and you can also see the banner running, apply now, because the application is open. And you can also check for what are the things that they are doing with the people who are studying this course and in partner with the other companies, and that is it. And they also have the CHE ranking. You can just check with the CHE ranking of Aalen University how it is, what are the things. And news in the Advanced Manufacturing, Material and Manufacturing and Research Masters, you can just see the built-in board. If you are the person who want to apply for this particular course, then please look for this particular news section, and you can just get to know what are the things that they are doing usually, and if any news is updated about if there any change in the course structure, if there any introduction of new subject, and what are the events that they are doing, what are the paper publication if any of the professor has done, and in the department any one of the professor has become doctorate, everything will be mentioned in this particular notes. And this is only for this particular Master of Science in this particular department, so that will be in your news section. Then in inform is nothing but your requirement analysis or another things. So in the information, you will get the complete requirement analysis what we had in the DAD website same. So degree, it's Master of Science, number of semester is 3 semester, application period. So for some semester, it will be from 15 June to 15 September. As I told you many times, 15 September was the deadline and we already missed the deadline. But for winter semester, you can just see it is 15 December to 15th March. As we are in January end, so we are eligible to apply for this particular query, so or apply. So that's the reason I will be showing how to apply for this particular course as of now in this particular video. Then admission requirements, you need to have a degree in bachelor degree, diploma or any of the equivalent degree in material engineering, mechanical engineering, production technology, engineering science up to 2.5 CGPA. So 2.5 CGPA or GPA, you are always welcome to check. So here there is an online tool to grade conversion query. So we will make sure to use this at first. If this works, then we can, otherwise we have always have our TUM web converter. So usually this is not working, that's the reason we will check for TUM grade conversion, official grade conversion. So in this you will get your grade conversion formula for TUM, which is official. Here you can just give the maximum CGPA as 10. That will be your maximum CGPA, which how much you will be writing. And the minimum passing CGPA differs from college to college. It would be 4 some college, it will be 5 some college. For VTU we had a minimum CGPA of 5 to get your degree awarded. That's the reason I have given 5. And in order to get 2.5, you need to have around 7.4. So then it counts up to 2.5. You can also have 7.3, say example CGPA, then you will have your 2.6. So that's the reason the minimum CGPA that you need to have is 2.5. For 2.5 is 7.4 CGPA you need to have minimum. So if you have 7.4 and above, then you are already in the first criteria fulfilled, where you have a degree of 2.5 and above. Then with at least 210 ECTS credit points. So usually VTU degree has a credit points of 200. So usually it is done, but in order to prove that, you have to give your module handbook, so that they will check with your module handbook. Okay, you have done, studied everything, whatever the things that they need, and you will have it. Then all admission requirement can be found in this document, which is below. Then we will also check for the further admission requirements. Then accreditation certificate, in order to get to know what are the accreditation that the college has, you can check here. But based on my experience, I would say in Germany, if you're getting into any public university without thinking of college standards, just join, because in Germany all public university have a reputation, so no need to worry. Then accreditation, yes. Postgraduate degree programs, yes. Part-time, yes. Consecutive course study is possible. Pre-study internship is also possible. Then tuition fees, as I told you, at first the international students has a tuition fees of 1,500, that is separate. That is because in Baden-Württemberg state, for international student, everybody has to pay for 1,500, so that is mandatory. And the semester fees is 170 euros, with the semester student and work cost 72 euros and 18 euros as a study board. So altogether counts up to 250, 300 up to same euros. So it will count up to around 1,700 or 1,750 euros in total for your semester fees. Then flyer in advanced materials and manufacturing masters, you can just see the degree flyer, but everything that I have told will be anyway covered from the flyer. So this flyer is the one that was mentioned in our DAD website, so we had all anyway gone through. And if you want to check for the course structure again, you can just see the course structure here. In the first semester you will do elective course, compulsory course, where you will do like 30 ECTS, and in second semester 30 ECTS, third semester you will do your research master thesis. But if you want to do a voluntary internship, then you will do after second semester, because you can't do when you're doing master thesis, or you can do you can't do your voluntary internship after doing master thesis, because at the end of the master thesis, when you defend, your degree will be issued. That's the reason you have to do before master thesis starting. Then this is the extra admission requirement document, which is completely in German. So if you want, we can just see for the what are the things that you need to submit as an Antrag with the application. So what are the requirements that here there are around 6 points. I can just copy and convert and check for you guys. So here we can directly go into DeepL, which usually we use it for translation, and here you can just give the translator. This usually has the criteria of only 1,500 words at once, so we will give 1,500 words, and you can just see here form of application. So you need to have application for admission must be submitted via online portal that we are doing, so no need to worry. The following documents must be included with the application. So at the first you have to give the attested copy when you are applying, but after you get an admission before enrollment, then they will either ask you to send an documents to enroll, or you can directly come here and enroll before the enrollment deadline is finished. An official copy of university entrance qualification, as I told you, official certified copy. So official certified copy is nothing but your attested copy, and official certified copy of proof of English language proficiency. So this we have already talked about. You need to have a B2 level and it will be IELTS 6, and HSP is your second PUC, then your degree certificate also you need to have. Then you need to have a letter of motivation certificate regarding why you want to pursue a research master degree program. Then tabular column CV, you need to have 1 page, the letter of motivation, and tabular column CV maximum 2 page. In order to do the tabular CV, please utilize Europass, then you will get to know it. Then conditional admission. So these are like not 100% mandatory requirement. What are the conditional requirements that you need to fulfill in order to also have a better grade or better chance of getting it? Then proof of special achievement, skills, knowledge beyond your normal bachelor degree. So if you have proof of special achievement you have done in bachelor degree, then you can also provide that. And prioritize listing of 2 research topic accordance with the publication of degree. So somebody has commented yesterday saying that you need to have a 2 research topic in accordance. No, that is nothing but a requirement. If you had, then you will get a good chance. It is not a mandatory requirement. So if you are a person who doesn't have it, they are not saying that they won't give you admission, they won't get rejection. No, that's not the thing. These are the conditional admission requirements which if you have, then it is good, then they will give you more priority. That's the reason. So you need, if you have done any of the special achievement, give it. If you have done any research topics, research projects, research paper publication, then give it, then you will get your chances higher, but it is not mandatory. Then if the document is not in German, then please make sure it translate to English. If it is in English, then directly upload it. So these are the information that I wanted to give about the admission criteria and admission things and admission requirements. So this is what we just went through in the first part of application video. Then we directly go into apply. So in the apply we will just directly click on application for one of our master degree program for external applicants. We are the external applicants, and here is the username and password that we have to do. But if I think we have not have a account, so that's why we first click on create account. In the create account page we will fill in everything. So I will take a moment and fill in the first page. After filling the full name, your email address, and selecting a password, then after submitting, then you got a request saying your request has been successfully submitted. So once your request has been successfully submitted, you will get